Hey everybody, it's Connor with Honor. Listen, I have a lot of friends that are ending up having their kids start to look and buy real estate, and it seems like the people that they might suggest to work with them, especially if they're not in my area and they don't send them to me, they're not giving them all of the information they need to be able to make a good financial decision. They send them to the lender. The lender approves them for X amount of dollars. Everybody's very excited, but they didn't bother to explain that at X amount of dollars, you're going to have these other things that you have to pay each and every month. If you're a real estate buyer looking in Santa Clarita, if you have kids that are about to adult children, adults in your world that you made that will be purchasing real estate, or if you are somebody that knows somebody that's going to be jumping into the market, make sure they look at that overall financial picture because there's going to be additional charges each and every month above and beyond the mortgage. And in some areas in Santa Clarita and other cities, depending on wherever you're watching this, there are additional fees that are going to have to be paid. And those fees can get up to in the hundreds of dollars per month extra on top of what maybe already be a mortgage payment that's tapping them out, extending them financially a little too far, which is something else that should also be talked about. Stay safe. I'm Connor with Honor. I do post up everything at Home Muscle. That's my YouTube channel. And of course, you can find me on Facebook. Just Google Connor with Honor, and I'll be there to help. I do appreciate you watching. I hope everybody's well, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.